NLP, when used the right way, can change your life. Challenges in life happen to all of us, and there is no doubt that when something traumatic happens, or we are subject to unpleasant experiences over a period of time, they leave their mark on us emotionally and physically. These experiences from the past can then have an adverse impact on the present, and subsequently influence and affect our decisions and experiences in the future. The issue is that we're not taught mindset skills, and even when we attempt to think positively, our emotional stuff pops up. With an estimated 10 million self-help books sold each year, it's very clear there are a lot of people looking for help with something. Imagine if you were able to really learn about yourself and understand the elements that create your thinking and how that results in your behavior. Now imagine if you're also taught new mindset strategies and tools and techniques that will allow you to easily let go of stuff from the past and create the future that you want. That's exactly what learning NLP with the Tailored Life Company will do for you. Because when you're taught NLP correctly, it really will change your life.